ensure that motorists, whether one owns a family car, one owns a private car, or a public service vehicle, or a common car, they adhere to the country's road rules and regulations. And here we talk about good driving conduct. We talk about not creating imaginary lanes, not going through road robots, not, causing congestion, chaos on the roads, where at the end of the day, the police are called to move in and restore order. Linda, it's very sad that instead of deploying police officers to do other constitutional duties, other constitutional responsibilities, we've had to use a bigger chunk of police officers just to control traffic. Even at traffic junctions, at traffic lights which are operational, which are functional, because some drivers feel that they don't want even to observe a functional traffic light. What does that entail? It entails that those people must be arrested and the law must take its course.